In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful PDF using Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to design stunning visuals with ease. And today, we'll focus on crafting a PDF that not only looks great, but also conveys your message effectively. First, let's head over to the Canva homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but if you're already a member, just log in. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. This is your control center where you can explore the vast array of features Canva offers. Next, we're going to click on the Templates option in this menu. Canva provides a plethora of templates tailored for various needs, from social media posts to presentations and, of course, PDFs. This is a great starting point, especially if you're not sure where to begin or if you want to save time by using a pre-designed template. After you click on templates, you'll be presented with a variety of choices. Browse through these options and select a template that aligns with the content and style you envision for your PDF. Remember, the template is just a starting point. You can customize it as much as you like to make it truly yours. Once you've selected a template, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the design in Canva's editor where you can start personalizing it. You'll see options to change text, colors, images, and more. Take your time here to adjust the design elements to your liking. This is where your creativity can really shine. When you're happy with your creation, it's time to share it. Click on the Share button located in the upper right corner of the editor. This step is crucial if you want others to collaborate on your design or simply view it online. To finalize your design as a PDF, you'll need to download it. Click on the download option in the drop-down menu that appears after clicking Share. By default, Canva might suggest downloading your design as a PNG, but we want a PDF, so you'll need to change this. In the download settings, you'll see a file type option. Click on it and select PDF from the list. This will ensure that your design is saved in the correct format. Once you've made this selection, hit the download button. Your beautiful PDF will be saved to your device, ready to be shared with the world or used as needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now created a professional-looking PDF using Canva. I hope this guide was helpful, and I encourage you to experiment with different templates and design elements to truly make each project your own. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!